Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you the new way to go ahead and make your Facebook account private, okay, because it has changed slightly. So what you want to do is open up Facebook, then you'll be on the home page, okay. Then you want to tap the three lines at the top left hand corner, and then you want to scroll down and you'll see settings and privacy, settings, and then privacy center. You want to tap on privacy center, then you want to scroll down and click on review settings and common privacy settings. So you scroll down and you want to go to audience settings. So the first one is security settings. So you want to tap on this one here, audience settings, and then go to manage audience settings, and then you just want to click on each one of these, select your profile, and then you want to select all these to only me. So you select your phone number, only me, you set your email address, only me, and then if you want your Facebook account completely private, you go ahead and select all these things to only me. Click on save on each one of them, and then you'll be good to go. So go ahead, do that, make your Facebook account private, and if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.